My name is Vikas Bhatia. I enrolled myself for course strategy with Sharekhan. It's been a great experience, great learning with Sharekhan. The instructor, Mr. Behzad Elavia, was amazing. His patience and his ability to come down to the students' level of understanding and explaining things until we've understood it perfectly was just simply great. The overall infrastructure at the facility, the classrooms, the systems was simply superb. Great support by the student support team, always there, proactive and prompt response, always supporting us, and of course continuous communication from the RM to helping us get through all initial minor setbacks. Overall, a great journey and a great experience. Major takeaway from the course is the fear of losing. That now it's more about learning and keeping on evolving, growing all the time. With every mistake not being taken as a setback, but as an opportunity to learn and grow further. That is my biggest takeaway from this. Consistency for sure in the way I do my work, in the way I trade. Consistency, and also it has now helped me to stay more calm, more focused, and have a broader view and not just get stuck in smaller issues. Yes, like I said before, I used to get too hassled when trades would not work in my favor. Now I've learned how to take that into consideration, be prepared with that, and work towards it, ride through it, and eventually come out in a more gaining way.